Here is how to connect make.com to HubSpot step by step. Start by signing in to make.com. Once you are in your workspace, create a new scenario if you are starting from scratch, or open an existing scenario if you already have one set up and just need to add HubSpot. This brings you to the scenario builder, where you can add or update modules for the workflow you want to run. In the scenario canvas, click the plus button to add a module. A search panel will open. Type HubSpot into the search field, then select HubSpot from the results. After that, choose the specific HubSpot module you want to use. The module you pick will depend on the action or trigger you want this scenario to handle. So select the one that matches your current setup. When the HubSpot module opens, look for the connection field. This is where make.com links the module to your HubSpot account. Click Add to create a new connection. This opens the authorization flow for HubSpot. In the authorization window, click Sign in to your HubSpot account. If you do not already have a HubSpot account, choose the option to create a new HubSpot account instead. The next screen will ask you to continue with your preferred sign-in method. Sign in with your HubSpot credentials if that is how you normally access your account. If your HubSpot login is tied to Google, select your Google account and continue through that sign-in path. Follow the prompts until HubSpot confirms your account access. If the page takes a moment to load between screens, wait for the next prompt before continuing. Once you are signed in, HubSpot may show you a list of available accounts. Select the HubSpot account you want to connect, then click Choose Account. Make sure you select the correct account before moving on, especially if you manage more than one portal. After that, HubSpot will display the permissions that make.com is requesting. Review that access, then click Connect App or Allow, depending on the version of the authorization screen you see. This gives make.com permission to use your HubSpot account for the selected module. When the connection has been created, return to the HubSpot module in make.com and select that new connection in the connection field. Then finish the rest of the module setup using the options shown for that module. Once those settings are in place, click Save to keep the configuration. To confirm that everything is working, run a test by clicking Run Once. Make.com will attempt to execute the scenario using the HubSpot connection you just added, which lets you verify that the connection is active and recognized by the module. Your Make.com scenario is now connected to your HubSpot account and ready for use.